to get her done until all the done that can be get. Jen, do you promise to get him done until all the done that can be get has been got? Mandy, you got the rings there?
I got the rings!
All right.
We need photos.
Alright. Just put that on her hand there, you alright? You can handle this?
I can't see the... Just get the bouquet out of the way, Carrie.
Jen, drop the bouquet.
With this ring, do you promise to get her done, to raise Rob's youngins, to bring him a cold beer when his lips look dry?
To keep this beer cold. Get her done.
You put that ring there on this man's.
Shake and bake. Shake and bake.
Rob, with this ring, do you promise to get her done? To be good to her mama? And try not to bang her best friend? I do pronounce you all hitched up. You may now share the funnel of love.
Got it one.
Look at all that fun. Give him some more. Give him some more.
Hang on.
We need some more kids.
He holds at least 4 beers.
At least.
Got it one. Got it one. Got it one. Got it one. Got it one.
You guys ready?
Got it two. Got it two. Got it
Pictures.
two. Oh! Did you do it before? You fucking way down.
That's a win.
There you go, kids.
Is that what the roll of toilet paper for? I can get a picture of that toilet paper.
That was.
You guys are troopers.
What's going on?
Most of the bride.
I don't know. How'd it go?
Drink it.
Jack?
These guys are too tall.
They're still going.